Hi teacher, my name is Grace. I am going to talk about the last movie I saw. It is also one of my favorite movies. The movie is called All the Brain Places in English and Violet Finch in Spanish. The author is Jennifer Niven. This movie is of romance and drama. The plot is two young people with personal problems forget an unbreakable bond when they embark on a cathartic journey showing the wonders of Indiana. Violet and Finch is a romantic drama. A prominent theme in this film is one of mental health. The movie epilogue reads, "This film is dedicated to those who have been impacted by mental health concerns, suicide, or grief." This is a movie based on a book of Jennifer Niven. My favorite scene reported dialogue. Violet, there is beauty in the most unexpected places, and that there are places with light even in very dark times, and that if it doesn't exist, you can be that bright light with infinity capacities. Violet said that there is beauty in the most unexpected places, and that there are places with light even in very dark times, and that if it doesn't exist, you can be that bright light with infinity capacities. In this scene, Violet explains in words the love she had for Finch. Conversation between Violet and Finch. Violet, you know everyone calls you a phenomenon. Violet said that he knew that everyone called him a phenomenon. Finch, sometimes I said and I do things without thinking, and people don't like it if they like to put labels. Reported speech. Finch said that sometimes he said and I did things without thinking, and people didn't like it they liked to put labels. Violet, people don't like clutter. Reported speech. Violet said that people didn't like clutter. Finch, rather, people don't like one is different. Reported speech. Finch said that rather, people didn't like what is different. Violet, okay, I have to go. Reported speech. Violet said, okay, I had to go. Finch, okay, good night, Violet Markey. Reported speech. Finch said, okay, good night, Violet Markey. To finally, in my opinion, of this beauty movie, I think that despite being a teenage, love the emotional and physical hearts of their past together, manage to discover that even the smallest moments can be very significant. Thank you, dear teacher.